Hello, future botanists. We are going to take hello world to the next step, and we are going to insert our name using a variable. So same thing, the same process that I did before. I am just going to right click on my tour and I am going to duplicate so I get another one, and I am just going to call this hello name. And I will now open this up. So I've got my public class. Notice that my name is now hello name, and then I still have my public static void main string arguments. So inside of this, we have some different options. Before we did our system dot out dot print line, and we threw in our hello world. Make sure that we're using our quotation marks and we have a semicolon after. Now I want to throw in my name in here, but I want to use a variable for that. So when I do this, I am going to throw my variable first because we want to make sure that we have our variable defined before we call that variable. And it's not quite as simple. Before we were able to just throw that like name is equal to and throw a string right here. And I'm just going to call him Mr. Forberg. And right there, I can throw my little semicolon. When I compile this, I get an error. So symbol can't find variable name. Remember how I said Python makes more assumptions than Java does. Java doesn't know what this is. Even though there's quotation marks, it looks like a string. It doesn't know that until we type in string before it. Now we can compile this, and it knows that this name is now a string. So if I want to go back and throw this in, this is going to be very similar to how we did this in Python now. So we'll put in our quotation marks, we'll put in plus, we'll throw in name, throw in that plus again, and throw in the quotation marks. So now when I compile this, we should be all good. We now have named our variable with the string saying Mr. Forberg, and then print our system out with our name. So let's compile, and we are going to go over here to hello name, and we can run that void main string arguments. And right there, this is our previous terminal, hello world, and now we've got hello Mr. Forberg. Cool. So I will see you in the next video where we learn how to use some inputs. All right, talk to you later. Bye.